What's up, guys? This is Randy Orton 1965, bringing you guys the updated Twilight build. So let's get started. 3JD, obviously, yeah, best card of the deck. One Black Laser Soldier. I don't think I need to explain why. Yeah, broken card. One Honest. Yeah, BLS Honest. GG. One Effect Weather, I ran only one of these because I don't have space for the other one, and I don't think two is necessary. I should deck the other one for plants, etc. But I think one is good, and I really don't have space for the other one right now. I might add one more if I find the space for it, but for now I only run one, and it's good. Yeah. Next we have Double Lila, Last One Sorceress. Yeah, it's a moving MST, and mill 3, so very good. Then we have Double Jane. Double Jane because it gets over Ryo, gets over Tengu, gets over Roach, gets over pretty much anything. So Double Jane, you gotta run Double Jane in any Twilight or Light One build because it's one of the best Light Ones. Yeah. Then we have Double Wolf. He's a very good mill if you mill him. Yeah. When I draw him, I usually have a Solar Recharge or a Master Incarnation, or I dump him with Lumina to bring something else. So yeah, he's good at 2. I don't think one is better. I think 2 is better. Yeah. And we have one Celestia, only one, because I run many boss masters in the deck, so one is good because 2 or more close to the hand. Yeah, so one Celestia. Yeah. Next we have one Lumina, we have one Eren, we have one Garroth. Garroth is really good with Lumina, Eren and Lila. Yeah. And we have one Icon, one Orcus, and yeah, that's the Light Monsters and the last ones. So let's go to the Dark Monsters. We have one Darkram Dragon. Yeah, he's too good not to run him, and people usually don't expect to see you summon a Darkram Dragon, but yeah, he's really good, and I have the Dark monster to support him, and I have great control, so yeah. Then we have 3, not 2, not 1, but 3 House Sorcerers. Yeah, he's a mini Black Laser Soldier, so why not run him when you can run 3? He's at 3 because I do run many darks and many lights to support him. He's at 3 because he have a great effect. He's at 3 because he doesn't need my normal summon, and I can push for game when I want. And he's at 3 because he's a great card. Then we have 2 Tragedia, one of the best cards of the deck. Yeah, very good. To steal their monster or to synchro with this and exceed with this. Very good. Next we have double Necrogarna. Necrogarna is good, blocks their attacks, don't let them kill you, and ensure that you complete your combos and win the game. Next, Gorge. I don't need to explain anything, it's Gorge. Next, Black Spreader Zombie and Glow Bulb, the main tuners of the deck. Those and the Veiler, but I don't usually sync with Veiler, only with those. Yeah, very good effects. They both bring themselves back from the graveyard, so why not to run them? And the last monster is Card Trooper. Card Trooper is really good. It mills 3, kills Ryan, you draw 1, and kills Roshan, you draw 1. And yeah, he mills 3 at the main phase, and you really want to mill at the main phase to complete your combos. End phase mill isn't so good because you have to wait one turn to take advantage of your mill, so yeah, main phase mill is good. Now let's go to the spells. There are 31 monsters, by the way, yeah. Then we have 3 solar recharges. Yeah, you got 3, very good card, draw power and mill power together. It's very good. 1 charge of the Light Brigade, you gotta run it. It's the best spell of the deck. Mill 3 and you get 1 last one to your hand. Yeah. Then we have 1 Heavy Storm, 1 Reborn, 1 Monster Incarnation, 1 Foolish Barrel, and 1 Allure of Darkness. As you've noticed, I don't run Darkhold. I think it's not necessary in the deck right now, because I usually draw it and it's a dead draw, and yeah, I don't think Darkhold is necessary right now. I side deck it, so yeah. There is an extra deck, pretty standard. We have 1 Trishula, 1 Mistworm, 1 Scrap Dragon, 1 Stardust, 1 Darkent, 1 Black Rose, 1 Arcanite, 1 Brionac, 1 Gaia, 1 Catastor, 1 Magical Android, 1 Armory Arm, 1 Levier, 1 Leviathan, and 1 Utopia. So yeah guys, that's the deck. It's 40 cards and the extra deck is 15. Yeah, let's go see it again one more time. Yeah, it's a very good deck. I'll probably go to the regional next week with this. I'll make a video on how I did, so subscribe and comment if you want to see more videos. Yeah, Lila, Honest, BLS, and 3JD.